Info about Copper Busbar Connector for Prismatic Cell Lithium Battery. 99.9% purity, ETP grade, high conductivity. Customized, fabricated, as per customer needs, available in tin, nickel plating. Our product range: Copper Busbar Connector, Aluminum Customized Busbar, Aluminum Busbar Connector, Battery Copper Busbar, Brass Busbar for Prismatic Cell, Copper Comb Pole Busbar, Copper Power Panel Busbar, Copper Power Terminal Busbar, Pole Copper Busbars, Fabricated Copper Busbar, Sleeved Copper Busbar, Tin-Plated Copper Busbar, Untapped Copper Busbar, VRLA Copper Busbar Connector, Sleeved Aluminum Busbar. Why choose Adinath Enterprises? Customized product, cost-effective solution, more than 30 years plus experience, low MOQ, quick turnaround time, prompt delivery, high-quality products rises?